welcome back to Fiber ByNature, and today we will be learning how to use a distaff. Now, a lot has changed since the carding video that I did. I know it's been a long time. I didn't do any videos last week, but I had like the first week of school and there was a lot going on. But here I am now, and as you can see, I have a shirt with my logo on it. And I did that this weekend, and yeah, I reorganized my fiber stash. Waste and yarn is in here, and then fiber and stuff goes in here. So yeah, we'll be using the mini batch that we carded and the distaff. So also after I post this video, I will be posting an unboxing video because my Paradise box arrived today. So can't wait for that. But yeah, let's get on with the video. So what you're gonna need is spindle, obviously. You're gonna need a handheld spindle, so not a suspended spindle that goes from the air, but you're gonna need a suspended spindle that you hold in your hands. So these are actually handmade. I made these with some clay. And then the distaff itself, this thing, is just a pipe. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your mini bat at the top, and then you're just gonna put your mini bat like at an angle, then you're just gonna roll it up like so. Then with your string, you're gonna like place it across the table and then put it like that, and then you're gonna tie. So I didn't mean to use so much of this, but normally I'm using a lot more fiber when I'm using a distaff. So with this, you're just gonna wrap this around, and then just gonna wrap this around like that, so it makes like a spiral motion, and then you're just gonna tie it down at the end. Okay, so if you want, you can cut these strings, but they're not really going to get in your way. Okay, so now that we have your little distaff set up, you're going to place it in a comfortable way, preferably at the top, and then the strings that you have left hanging at the back. Okay, so now that you have your spindle set up, what you're going to do is you're just going to draft out a little bit of your distaff from your distaff. And yeah, so now that we have the drafted out part, I'm going to take the leader that you spiraled up on your spindle, and you're just gonna lay that on top, and then draft, and then you're just gonna, with your two fingers, your thumb and your index pointer finger, you're just gonna slowly draft it out and give it a little bit of a twist. So with this spindle that I'm using now, I have a leader on it, and I'm just slowly flicking it with my fingers. Okay, so that's not working out probably because of the cotton. I've never used cotton actually with a distaff, so first time. Okay, so now that we have it like this, I think will work. Hold it in your hands like this and just let it spin. Now, I guess you could use a suspended spindle. Sorry, mixing up my language right now. Okay, so yeah, it's basically like the park and draft method. So park, then spin, park, draft, like that. So once you got that down, you can use your spindle smoothly. Okay, so once you have a length of yarn, well, you put it down and then undo it from your hook or something, or whatever you're using it as a leader. I'm using a half hitch, which I did, was actually one of my very first videos. Now just spiral, make the cup, and spiral it on. Then make the half hitch or put it on your hook, and then you can continue spinning. So that is basically how you use a distaff. There are videos with more details, but I just use this little simple method of doing it with my little supported spindles. And yeah, that's basically how you use it. Also when you are getting finished this bit that you drafted out, you just need to pull out more, and then eventually once you get up to here, you're just going to have to untie it and spin it from the back, because it gets a little bit hard once you get to the top. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you next later. Bye.